Hey friends, welcome back to Flavors and Knowledge, the podcast where we explore the art of cooking, the science of ingredients, and the joy of eating with the seasons. I'm your host, Chef Walter, and in this episode we are diving into the vibrant world of April's produce. Spring is in full swing and the kitchen is alive with possibilities. And whether you're a seasoned home cook or just starting out, this episode will inspire you to embrace the flavors of the season and make the most of April as the offer. This month is such a special time in the culinary calendar. It's a bridge between the hearty, comforting food of winter and the lush, abundant harvest of late springs. This month, we are greeted with tender asparagus, sweet peas, peppery radishes, and the hearty elegance of artichokes. These vegetables are at the peak right now, and their flavors are unmatched. Take asparagus, for example. When roasted with a little extra virgin olive oil and sea salt, it becomes caramelized and tender, with a nutty sweetness that's hard to resist. Or try shaving it raw into a salad for a crisp, refreshing crunch. And let's not forget fresh peas. Whether you are shelling them or enjoying them in the pod, they add a burst of sweetness to risotto, pasta, or even a simple spring soup. But April isn't just about vegetables. Leafy greens like spinach, arugula, and watercress are also shining this month. These greens are packed with nutrients and bring a lively peppery flavor to all dishes. Arugula pairs beautifully with citrus segments and a light vinaigrette, while watercress can be blended into a zesty pesto or perhaps tossed into a potato salad for a peppery kick. Spinach, with its versatility, can be sautéed with garlic as a quick side dish, or maybe folded into quiche and frittata for a hearty breakfast. Now let's talk about herbs. April is a fantastic time for fresh herbs like chives, parsley, dill, and mint. These are not just garnishes. They are essential ingredients that can transform a dish. Imagine a handful of chopped mint brightening up a spring pea puree, or dill lending its feathery fronds to a creamy cucumber salad. Herbs bring freshness, aroma, and depth to your cooking, and they are a must-have in your spring kitchen. And let's not forget citrus. While we often associate citrus with winter, fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons are still in season in April. Their bright sunny flavors are perfect for cutting through the richness of spring dishes. A citrus vinaigrette drizzled over a salad of bitter greens and roasted beets is a match made in heaven. Or maybe try adding a squeeze of lemon to a creamy pasta dish for a burst of acidity that balances the richness. And for those of you with a sweet tooth, April brings us one of the most iconic spring ingredients, rhubarb. With its tart, tangy flavor, rhubarb is a star of the season. It's often paired with strawberries, which start to appear later in this month, and together they make the perfect filling for pies, crumbles, and compotes. But rhubarb isn't just for desserts. It can also be used in savory dishes. Try roasting it with a bit of honey and serving it alongside the roasted pork or chicken breast for a surprising twist. And you'll probably be wondering, why should we cook with the season? Well, there are so many reasons. First, seasonal produce is fresher, tastier, and more nutrient-dense because it's harvested at its peak, and it doesn't have to travel long distances to reach your plate. By choosing seasonal ingredients, you are also supporting local farmers and certainly reducing your environmental footprint. But perhaps the best reason to cook with the season is the variety it brings to your diet. As the season changes, so does the ingredients available to us, and that keeps our meal exciting and diverse. It's a way to connect with nature's rhythms and celebrate the unique flavors of each time of the year. To wrap things up, I want to leave you with a few recipe ideas to inspire your April cooking. How about a spring vegetable stir fry with asparagus, peas, and radishes, finished with a sprinkle of fresh herbs? Or a lemony pasta primavera loaded with seasonal greens and a touch of cream for richness, if so desired. For something healthier, try an asparagus and leek tart with a flaky pastry crust. It is the perfect bridge between winter comfort and spring freshness. And of course, for dessert, why not bake a rhubarb crumble? The tartness of the rhubarb pairs beautifully with a sweet buttery topping, and it's even better served with a scoop of your favorite vanilla gelato. April is a time of renewal and growth, and that energy is reflected in the produce available to us. By cooking with the season, we not only create delicious meals, but also connect with the natural world to support sustainable practices. So, this month, I encourage you to visit your local farmer's market, pick up some fresh seasonal ingredients, and let the flavor of spring inspire your cooking. Thank you for tuning in to the Flavors and Knowledge today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. And if you try any of the recipes or ideas we discussed, tag me on social media. I love to see your creation. Until the next time, happy cooking, and may your kitchen be filled with the flavors of springs. Ciao, ciao.